Hello, in this video I will explain how to get inspiration points and how to use them in Baldur's Gate 3. And to do this, first let's click on our inventory, and then on the top there's inspiration point, and you can get them by performing different actions with your class or with your character, like for example when you play a paladin. And follow the codex rules, then perform the action to, for example, help somebody or free somebody that wasn't rightfully charged with something, then you might get the inspiration point. Now, to spend them, you can use them in world interactions and also in the chat when you're talking to somebody to re-roll the specific rolls. So if you fail at, for example, 15 roll, then you might re-roll it using inspiration points. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.